I came across this like style from the homie Zachary Winterton, who um who posted this on Threads about Rebus. I'll just read what he has here. He says the Rebus has a rich history that stretches from ancient civilizations to modern graphic design. Its origins trace back to Egyptian uh, hieroglyphs actually, and proto-cuneiform writing systems, and continues to appear in iconic examples like Milton Glazer's I Love New York and Paul Rand's IBM. Truly one of the oldest tricks in the books, and this is just kind of like these are some of his slides that I just kind of pulled out from the post there. But if you're not familiar with Zachary Winterton, super dope and talented designer. Also makes really good content on Instagram and TikTok and whatnot, just like talking about just graphic design stuff. Like, yeah. And me and this dude, like, he's got a big following now, but me and this dude been locked in since I believe I had like 10 like or like 40K followers on like Instagram or like TikTok. And so yeah, give Zachary Winterton a follow, man. Like really super dupe super dupe super dope guy. But yeah, so what y'all think of this style, man? I kind of like this. I like how I think these are like IKEA ads here, or what is, oh, Eden Print Shop, but I think these are definitely like old IKEA ads, or some designer kind of with this up, with the intent of to make it look vintage. So but yeah, I really like this. I like how Squarespace has kind of you know, kind of added their spin on it, and like how Nike's done this right here also, and these are just from different brands, different takes on the sort of design style.